Ending a marriage is one of the most difficult decisions a person can make. When someone has reached that decision, communicating it respectfully and clearly can help reduce unnecessary conflict and establish a more constructive path forward. A divorce letter is not a legal filing, but it can serve as a thoughtful way to communicate your decision before or during the legal process. A divorce letter is a formal personal letter used to inform a spouse of the decision to pursue a divorce. It explains the decision respectfully, expresses a willingness to cooperate during the process, and encourages a peaceful resolution of matters such as finances, property, or parenting responsibilities. Today, we're going to break down a professional divorce letter step by step so you understand exactly how to write one. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we have the sender's full name, address, email address, and phone number. This section identifies the person writing the letter and provides contact information if further communication is needed. Even though this is a personal letter, including complete contact details keeps the document organized and professional. Date. Next, we have the date. July 10th, 2026. Including the date establishes when the decision was communicated. This can be helpful for personal records and creates a clear timeline of communication. Recipient information. Below the date, we have the recipient's name and address. Including the recipient's information makes it clear who the letter is intended for and gives the document a formal structure. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Subject: Notice of my decision to pursue a divorce. The subject immediately explains the purpose of the letter. It is direct, respectful, and leaves no uncertainty about the reason for the communication. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear Ethan, since this is a personal letter addressed to a spouse, using the recipient's first name is appropriate while still maintaining a respectful tone. Opening paragraph. Now let's move into the first body paragraph. This paragraph clearly communicates the decision to pursue a divorce. Rather than avoiding the topic, it states the purpose directly while acknowledging that it was reached after careful thought. The paragraph says, I hope this letter finds you well. After much thought, reflection, and sincere consideration, I have made the difficult decision to pursue a divorce and formally bring our marriage to an end. This opening is respectful, honest, and avoids unnecessary blame or emotional language. Explaining the decision. Next comes the paragraph that explains the reasoning behind the decision. This section acknowledges the efforts made to preserve the marriage while expressing appreciation for the shared experiences. It also explains that ending the marriage is believed to be the best decision moving forward. The paragraph reads, This has not been an easy decision, and it comes only after considerable effort to address the challenges we have faced together. While I will always value the memories we have shared and respect the life we built as a family, I believe that ending our marriage is the best path forward for both of us. This paragraph works well because it remains respectful without assigning blame or revisiting past arguments. Cooperation during the divorce process. Now let's look at the next paragraph. One of the most important goals of a divorce letter is to encourage cooperation. This section explains the desire to resolve important matters fairly and expresses a willingness to use mediation if necessary. The paragraph says, My hope is that we can approach this process with mutual respect, honesty, and cooperation. I believe it is in our best interests to work together to resolve matters such as property, finances, and any other responsibilities in a fair and amicable manner. If necessary, I am willing to participate in mediation or other forms of dispute resolution to help us reach mutually acceptable agreements. This paragraph sets a constructive tone and encourages both parties to work toward a peaceful resolution. Children and co-parenting. The following paragraph addresses children, if applicable. If children are involved, it is important to emphasize that their well-being should remain the highest priority throughout the divorce process. The paragraph reads, If children are involved, I sincerely hope we can continue to prioritize their well-being and maintain a respectful co-parenting relationship. They deserve our continued love, support, and cooperation throughout this transition. Including this section demonstrates maturity and a commitment to acting in the children's best interests. Respectful communication. Next comes the paragraph acknowledging the emotional impact of the decision. This section recognizes that the news may be difficult while reassuring the recipient that the goal is respectful communication rather than conflict. The paragraph says, "I understand that this news may be difficult to receive, and I appreciate the time you may need to process it. My intention is not to create conflict, but to communicate my decision openly and respectfully. I hope we can handle the legal process with dignity and minimize unnecessary stress for everyone involved." This paragraph helps maintain a calm and respectful tone during a difficult conversation. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section expresses gratitude for the years shared together and offers sincere well wishes for the future, despite the end of the marriage. The paragraph reads, "Thank you for the years we shared together. I genuinely wish you happiness, good health, and success in the future. I hope that, despite the end of our marriage, we can move forward with understanding and respect." Then the letter ends professionally with, "Sincerely, Naomi Walker." Ending the letter with kindness and respect helps leave the conversation on the best possible terms under difficult circumstances. Before we finish, here are a few important reminders. A divorce letter should remain calm, respectful, and focused on communication rather than emotion. Avoid using the letter to criticize your spouse, revisit past conflicts, or assign blame. The purpose is to communicate your decision clearly while encouraging a respectful and cooperative approach to the next steps. Also, remember that this type of letter is a personal communication, not a substitute for legal advice or official court documents. Laws regarding divorce vary depending on where you live, so if you are beginning the legal process, consider consulting a qualified family law attorney to understand your rights and responsibilities. Keeping communication respectful can often make an already difficult situation easier for everyone involved, especially when children or shared responsibilities are part of the process. And that's how you write a professional divorce letter step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.